Watch billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya explain why no one, and I mean no one, is bullish enough on what's happening to Bitcoin right now.
This is the most important year for Bitcoin that has ever existed. We are probably days away from a series of ETFs being approved. And so this is the moment for Bitcoin to use that old term, cross the chasm and really see mainstream adoption, where our parents and our grandparents understand what it is, can buy it, and then do buy it. And I think that if all of this comes to pass, Bitcoin will be a part of the traditional financial lexicon by the end of 2024. So that is my most anticipated.
Chamath, of course, is completely and 100% correct. This is the year. This is the year when Bitcoin goes mainstream. This is the year when Bitcoin goes big. Every investment advisor in the world is going to start pushing Bitcoin. All the major financial institutions are going to start pushing Bitcoin. Your grandma, your grandpa, your Uncle Joe, whoever, they're all going to start investing in Bitcoin passively through the retirement funds. This is a big deal. This is a once in a market, once in a lifetime liquidity event. When you understand the numbers, how much money is going to be able to enter and how much money will enter, not on day one, but over time, over the next few years, it's insane. The opportunity right now for going long on Bitcoin, holding spot Bitcoin, and really the entire cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin's the tip of the spear. It always has been. But it goes so much deeper than that. When liquidity starts flowing into Bitcoin, it causes a liquidity cycle for the entire cryptocurrency market space. It's going to be insane, and it's going to be volatile, and it's going to be messy, and all kinds of drama and massive corrections on the way up to insane price valuations. But it's coming. Prepare yourself. No one is bullish enough for what this actually means and the liquidity injection that is coming.